Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make $100,000 uploading a YouTube video. Okay, we're uploading a video to YouTube for free. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that. If you are new to my channel, in this channel I teach on how to make money online. Okay, how to make a side hustle for yourself working from home. Okay, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon and share it with your friend. They may be interested in making money online. All I taught in this channel is educational purpose and is very 100% working. Okay, when you watch the video, you implement it, you'll be on your way making thousands of dollars online. Okay guys, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, number one site I'm going to show you is called youtube.com. Go to youtube.com. okay, when you go to youtube.com, you can search super sports. There is a tons of sports. We are going to use sport on this video. You can search for sport. There is a tons of sports on YouTube. Okay, but for this tutorial I'm going to use super sports for example on how to implement the strategy. Okay, now when you're super sport, this is what you do. This is a new video from super sports. As you can see, one day these guys re-upload daily. They re-upload. As you can see, 7-minute video, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, depending on their video. They used to cut it for the video to be long. Okay, now all you need to do is very simple and legit. Click this. When you click this, pause it. Okay, I'll pause it for the tutorial. Okay, let's say I've paused it. Okay, and now I'll scroll down to copy the link. But before you do so, when you want to copy a link of a video you want to reuse, I recommend you to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Okay, when you do so, just click share button. When you click share button, copy the link. Okay, when you copy the link, it's going to copy. Okay, now let's go to Y2Mate. Y2Mate is a website that downloads YouTube video. Okay, it's free to use. You don't need to pay anything. But they used to show ads. You have to be fast for you to download. As you can see, right, you can download this video for free. When you download this video now, let's say this video is 7 minutes or 6 minutes, there is a lot of little thing you're going to apply for you to upload it to YouTube. Okay, when you download this video now, after you have done, let's say I've downloaded this video to my computer. Okay, now you go to a site called, we are going to use a site that will fix the video to a original type. Okay, because it's a football around the world, everybody can use the video for free. Okay, go to cledio.com. This is a free tool you can use to do anything editing of your video. Come to tools. As you can see, cut video. This is where you go. This is match video. Maybe you want to combine two of the match depending on your choice. Okay, you can still go to YouTube and download up to 3 or 2. Okay, and come to Cledio and combine it, and after combining, resize it before and cut it. Okay, when you do so, YouTube will grant you access to your video, will be monetized. Okay, now come to cut video. When you come to cut video, it's going to open a file for you. Let me choose a random video from my PC. Okay, let me choose this video and show you guys on how it works. It's loading. Let's wait for a few seconds. When you load finish, I'm going to process it. Okay guys, the video is done. Okay, this is the video. and as you can see, it's playing. Okay, now this is how you cut it. Okay, if you want to cut it, it's very simple and straightforward, guys. All you need to do is click this arrow button with your keyboard and drag it to where you want to cut it. As you can see, as I shift it, it's going to start from where I stop. As you can see, now when I pause it again and shift it, it's going to start from where I stop. Okay, when you do so, you will now import it to your PC. When you import it to your PC, you will now come to YouTube. There's single thing you are going to do for you to get more view to your video, okay, is thumbnail. Okay, when you download the football match, you need to put a thumbnail. Do not download it and upload it that way. When you do so, you are not going to get view. Okay, the reason why you are not going to get view is that, like this site now, they have over 3.41 million subscribers. They do not need thumbnail. Okay, they can be uploading with this 3.341 million subscriber. They will be on their way watching the football. But you, as a beginner, it's good for you to create a good looking thumbnail. And a site I would recommend you guys to go to check is canva.com and fiverr.com. You can check one of my previous video to see how to create a thumbnail on Canva. But if you want a pro thumbnail, go to fiverr.com. Okay, go to fiverr.com. When you go to fiverr.com, it's going to give you professional thumbnail maker. Let me search on it. I'll leave a link in the description. Thumbnail. Let me see what is going to pop up. Okay, as you can see, these are professional thumbnail. All you need to do is very legit. Just go with $5 if you have money. But with this strategy, when you create a professional thumbnail, believe me, your video will rank on YouTube. People will watch the football. Within a certain period of time, you'll be monetized and start making thousands of dollars to your account. Okay, as you can see, these are professional thumbnail maker. You can make thumbnail from this site free and legit. You don't need to pay much. It's $5. But if you are a newbie, you don't have much money, you can go to Canva. Like I said earlier, watch my previous video on how to create thumbnail. When you do so, you can create a thumbnail for yourself. Okay, when you come to this place, when you watch my previous video, it's going to show you how to do that. Okay, that is it on this video. Thank you for watching. Implement the strategy, watch it again and try to implement the strategy and give a testimony. Okay guys, because I want you to make money this year. See you on my next video. Cheers.